Hello everybody, this is Mr. RB. Today we're going to make a Rollie Pollie Circle Picture. It's inspired by one of my favorite books, Rollie Pollie Ollie by William Joyce. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm using these Crayola markers, and these are just regular Crayola markers, not washable. The washable ones I find don't tend to do what we need them to do, as well as just the plain old regular markers. So I'm going to take the cap off, and I don't want it rolling away, so I'm going to stick it on the other end. Then I'm going to hold down my circle tracer and go round and round and round and round and round and round. Oh! Uh-oh. I sort of hit a roadblock. I'll go the other way. Round and 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 round and... Uh-oh. I hit another roadblock. What can I do? I know. I will hold the tracer down carefully and move my hand. Notice I didn't want the tracer to move because I want to get a clear, true tracing of my circle. I went all the way around. Now I'm going to trace again. I could use the purple again. I'm going to go round and round and round and round. Draw, 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 draw. Draw, 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 draw. Stop! I'm going to stop because I hit the first circle. I'll go back the other way. Draw, 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 draw. I'll move my hand a little. Draw, 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 draw. Stop! And skip, 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 skip. Oh, I'm all the way over to the other side of the circle. So I guess I'm done. When I lift it up, it looks like the first circle is on top of the second one. We say that the first circle is overlapping the second one. Let's try another color. I'm going to take the cap off the end, and I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to listen for click. I'm going to click that cap closed so the marker stays fresh. I'm going to switch to some orange. And I think I'll try this smaller tracer just for fun. I'm going to put the cap on the back so it doesn't roll away on me. And I'm going to go draw, 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 draw. Draw, 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 move my hand. Draw, 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 draw. Stop! And I'm done. I'll try another one up here. Draw, 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 draw. Move my hand. Draw, 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 all the way around. I'm going to move that one off. And I think I'm ready for just I want to do like one or two in the black marker. I'm going to click. The marker closed. And I'll get out my black marker. I'm going to put the cap on the back side so it doesn't roll away on me. Today I'm using cardboard tracers, but I've also used the lids from old plastic containers and all sorts of things. Paint jars, anything. I'm going to go round, 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 round. Right off the page. Skip, 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 skip. Back on the page. Round, 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 round. Whoops. Round, 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 round. Stop. Skip, 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 skip. And I went all the way around. And there's my circle. I'll try another one. Round, 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 and stop. I think that'll be enough for my picture for today. How many circles is the right number? Well, every picture's different. Every person, every day, every mood. And how many you want in your picture could be different from how many I want, or how many you'll want for your next picture. It's all fun to explore. I'm going to take this brush that's nice and wet with plain old water. I'm going to give it a good wishy-washy, wishy-washy, wish-wash, wish to make sure it's clean. Then I'm going to start going around my orange circle. Wow, when the marker gets wet, look what's happening. It's flowing and turning the marker into paint. Makes me think of stained glass and orange lollipops. I'm going to do the other orange one too. I'm trying to be careful to stay inside the circle. And notice that I always use a round motion. So I'm using that same circular motion so I get a nice round bubble for my Rollie Pollie Circle Picture. Well, time to do the purple ones. I wonder if the purple will flow like the orange did. Wow! Oh my goodness, look at that nice color. I'm going to go round and round and round till I get to the very center. Time for the next one. My brush is a little drier this time. I don't think it works as well when it's drier. Maybe I'll just let it sit for a bit and see what happens. I'm going to go round and round. I have one more. I think I did purple. I have one more color to do. I'm going to see what happens with the black. I go around the edge. Whoops, I'm off the page for this one. I'm going to just try to pull some of that black marker in. And it's a funny thing. As the black marker dissolves in the water and spreads out, it starts to look a little on the blue side. I kind of like that. Like a magic changing color. Or just a surprising changing color. Nice. Wow. Well, I did all 3 colors and they're all done. Time for me to clean up. I'll give my brush a wishy-washy wishy-wash. Make sure everything's put back where it belongs. And I'm ready to paint another day. See you soon. Have fun.